our vacation to Philippines, and now we're finally back here in India, Patna. So we're trying our best to upload more videos for you guys. So now it's Sunday and we're on the way to meet my husband's friend, and we'll also meet your
My father's sister.
my father-in-law's sister. We called it
Buaji.
Fuwaji. So she came from Mumbai for little vacation, and now she came back here in Patna. So we're going to meet them.
Tada. Tada.
Nasira po yung lift, kaya stairs po kami. First floor. It's myself. I take video for myself.
I think there's this thing happened.
So, hello guys. So, natapos na po kami pumunta doon sa family ng husband ko. Kaso hindi po kami nakapag-video doon sa loob kasi may issue po doon na may nanakawan doon sa isang flat. Kaya madami pang nag-investigate for now. So, kaya hindi na ako nakapag-vlog or nakapag-video doon pagpasok namin sa building kasi may madaming tao nagsasabi na bawal pa munang i-take ng mga video or pictures. So ngayon, on the way na po kami sa friend namin, tsaka may regalo kami sa anak niya. So see you in a minute.
I know you're scared, you wanna hide away sometimes. I know you hurt from everyone telling you.
We already reached in Ritesh home, which is Pratik's best friend. Can't wait to meet Namo again after so long. After we had our last vacation in Gangtok. So this is the fourth time we meet again. So this is their gate in the house. Just wait and park. We already reached in Ritesh home, and I have a little present for our little Namu. It's fresh from Philippines in Cebu. So I hope she like it, and we will have our lunch here, and we will have our little chit chat.
Starting.
You like? Sharpener. You finish study? I like a keychain. Yeah. Nice?
Soft है ये। क्या चाबी है?
साइकिल का चाबी है। पापा के स्कूटी की चाबी है।
और ये लोग को मतलब प्राइस चाहिए थे।
आपको खाने की आदत हो जाता होगा, जैसे हमेशा खट्टे मीठा अच्छा लगता है।
सुबह जैसे हम लोग घूमने जा रहे हैं तो 4 बजे गाड़ी आ रही है पिकअप। ये लोग 5 बजे सुबह इतना चावल लेकर आए।
अच्छा है, उसका चावल का अलग तरह का ही होता है।
Finish? Finish. No? So, ngayon, andito po kami kina Namu at saka ginawa niya ako ng mehendi. Sobrang cute po.
कैसा लगा ये?
Wow! Nice! So, eto na po yung ginawa ni Namo sa akin. Ito na yung final look. Sa right hand ko po. Ito po siya. Cute na bata. Say hi to the vlog! Thank you for making my mehendi so nice! Cute po siya. Ito po yung ginagawa namin pag wala kaming masyadong naboboard kami dito sa bahay.
This.
お金稼ぐ俺らはスターお金稼ぐ私はスタースターキラキラ私はスター流れる星たちどこにいるスターお金稼ぐ俺らはスター
This.
Okay. Teach me. I don't know which one.
One. This. Amazing.
Okay, I will just follow you. watching.
ये जी करिए हाय ब्लॉगिंग करना है
Thank you.